Today I'm going to teach you how to transplant a mature shrub. These first two shrubs, part of this hedge, we're going to move to a place where we need some more screening in the garden. And the first thing you do is to actually cut 1/3 of the shrub top off, because we're going to be digging around and digging the shrub out, and we'll be reducing its roots. So because we're reducing its roots when we transplant it, we just need to make it even by reducing some of its foliage as well. Yeah, so I'm just going to use my secateurs to cut the first third of the shrub's head off. This is really to enable a much more successful transplant. There's my cuttings, 1/3 of the shrub off. It's to reduce the amount of transpiration the shrub does when it gets transplanted to its new home with less roots. I've also taken away the plants that were growing close against these shrubs so I don't damage them. And there you can see I've cut the third off. I've even had to tie back with a piece of rope the shrub at the back that's going to remain, just to make the digging out easier for me. And now the big task of digging out the two shrubs. How do you know how big to make the digging around each of these shrubs? Well, for this size shrub, normally the head of a spade against the stem, and then I would start digging here where the spade actually, just as a marker. Another way of doing it is by putting your foot against the shrub, the bottom of the shrub, and then making a mark in front of your toe. And that's the size of the hole that you're going to dig around these shrubs. So I think we've done really well. I've dug around the whole shrub like a trench. I even had to tie this shrub up as well to get around.